Okay, this is day one of setup on June 15th. We moved everything in the morning. It took a few hours, but it was starting to get organized here. So we have all the stuff for building the structures and the screens. I just hooked up the Optoma. It's going to be hanging from the ceiling, but we have the first light for our show. And it is running from the 4070 computer here, and I'm about to rig up maybe a couple more projectors. This will be the interactive iPad station. I still have to build the second one, but that will be kids controlling stuff here, or adults too. And then in the corner we're going to have called In the Cloud. And again, I'm just running the test pattern right now to make sure that works. And I have not set up the main projector yet, which we need to build the stand for the Epson. And we need to mount the Panasonic as well. I'm waiting for Mike to do that help on Wednesday. But so far so good, and we're getting there, progress.